Welcome to the wonderful world of Java, an object-oriented programming language that's as versatile as it is powerful. Today, the spotlight falls on setting up your local Java environment, an essential first step in your journey to mastering this fascinating language. Java Standard Edition, or Java SE, is the foundation of the Java platform, and the best part? It's freely accessible. To get your hands on it, simply navigate to the Download Java page. From there, you can choose a version that suits your operating system. Follow the prompts to download Java and run the executable file to install it on your machine. Once Java is happily nestled in your system, it's time to roll up your sleeves and set up those all-important environment variables. These will point to the correct installation directories. Now, if you're using Windows and assuming you've installed Java in the C program files Java GDIG directory, here's what you need to do. First, right-click on My Computer and select Properties. Next, click on the Environment Variables button under the Advanced tab. Finally, it's time to tweak the path variable so that it includes the path to the Java executable. For example, if the path currently reads C Windows System 32, adjust it to C Windows System 32, C Program Files, Java JITKA-bin. For those of you using Linux, Unix, Solaris, or FreeBSD, you'll need to set your path environment variable to point to where the Java binaries are installed. If you're a Bash user, add the following line to the end of your bash arc: export path equal $path//Java $path. Now, to write your Java programs, you'll need a text editor. While there are a plethora of sophisticated integrated development environments, or IDEs, out there, you might want to start with something simpler like Notepad on Windows. Once you're comfortable, feel free to explore other options like NetBeans or Eclipse. Both are free open-source Java IDEs that offer a host of features. And there you have it. Your Java environment is all set up and ready to go. Now, it's time to dive in and start coding. In the next video, we'll guide you through writing and running your very first Java program, along with some essential Java syntax. Until then, happy coding!